Okay, so tell us something about your show. First season इश्क में मर जावा का बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर रहा है and काफी लोगों ने पसंद भी किया था. So second season, what is it all about?
Well, second season, it's if I can give you like 3-4 words, it is about, of course, love. It's about passion. It's about betrayal and deceit. It's all about. I think these 3-4 words describe the show best as of now. What we know of the story.
And what are you playing?
I actually. The interesting part is all 4 of us, I don't think so Ridhima so much, but Vansh and Kabir's character are, Kabir is definitely love, passion, betrayal in terms of, I don't know, in the future he might have to take steps which might seem, in the betrayal zone for the audience or for other characters in the show, but for him it is because he needs to get the job done. So I think that's what this character is kind of in the grey shade for that reason.
Okay, promos देख के ऐसा लग रहा है that your character is going to be little grey shade होने वाला है शायद. So अगर आपने कुछ portion shoot किए हैं, so how exciting was it to play something in the lines on that grey lines?
Well, because I don't know what intensity of the grey, what shade of that grey will be. So, abhi, whatever I'm playing it very genuinely. If I am showing love to Ridhima, I am genuinely showing love to her. Because if I have that thought in my mind that, कि मुझे आगे जाके I'm just trying to get some work out of her, or Vansh के साथ मुझे ऐसे कुछ करना है, maybe he's watching me, then I think the genuinity of it goes. I think that's the whole point of the thriller.
Right.
You witness the unexpected. So I think my take on the character is that whatever I'm doing right now, I do it genuinely, I do it honestly. And whenever the twist comes, whenever there is any twist, or so to say, whenever the twist comes, I will have a better take on that. I can do something then out of the blue. It's not like कि मैंने कुछ पहले hints दे दिए हैं already and then okay, people will understand कि अच्छा ये इस direction में जा रहा था. I think we want to maintain that. So, yeah.
And since इसका first season इतना ज़्यादा popular और इतना ज़्यादा पसंद किया गया लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया, was there any kind of pressure कि second season क्या वो fate meet कर पाएगा? What was the thinking when you were offered the show?
Right. So I was aware of the show, of course. I haven't seen it, but I was aware of the show even before it had come out because Mamta ma'am had asked me, to come and audition for it. Let's take a test. And I remember doing a small piece, and the show came out like I think after 3, 4, 5 months later. And I remember auditioning for it, but I was again doing another show, and it couldn't happen. Things didn't work out. So. It made a very good name in the first season, and all the actors did a fab job. And but honestly, अभी तक ना producers ने, which is a very big thing, ना producers ने किसी ने भी एक बार भी ये नहीं कहा, कि we had a very, it's a brand that you are entering into. इश्क में मर जावा season 1 was such a big hit. So I think it has, वो कभी initiate ही नहीं हुआ वो pressure. So right now I'm very comfortable talking about it क्योंकि वो कभी ऐसी कोई बात हुई नहीं है, and we are already deep into the show, as actors, as characters, we are quite deep into the show since we have shot a few episodes, so we know what are we doing and we are confident of what are we doing and what is to come. तो अभी ऐसे pressure को कुछ बात नहीं है. We just want to make a good show, अच्छी TRPs हो, audience को पसंद आए, they love our characters because it's very important they love our characters because TV में आप character से जाने जाते हो, आप खुद की identity से नहीं जाने जाते हो. Of course they come to know later, but the character is the top inspiring.
But कभी वो as an actor affect करता है that you are only loved and watched and praised for the character you guys play. अगर आप mall में जाओ या road पे जाओ तो भी लोग आपको आपके character से पहचानते हैं या बुलाते हैं, तो वो कभी
Yes, so honestly, पता है, over the period of time, it has changed because I worked on a little digital platform also, and then I was doing TV for the longest period, for 6 to 7 years now. So it is, I think it changes over a period of time. Today, if I was starting new today, people will know me by my character. They won't even care to look my real name. So over the period of time, people get used to the face, and then they start finding, अरे यार इसको देखते हैं ये और क्या करता है यार, what is his real name, where does he stay, where did he come from, because he's doing so much work. I think over a period of time, people start researching you. They get to know your real name, your personal life, and honestly, me, I tend to have my personal life a little away from the work. Of course, people know who are my parents and who is my partner and who are my friends. But एक जो personal life की जो intimacy होती है वो मैं अपने काम से अलग ही रखता हूँ. But अब थोड़ा खुलने लग गया because social media has come up such a boom में. So you are basically putting your personal life out there on your, for example, my Instagram handle. So people get to see that, it's accessible. But वो भी हमारे ऊपर है, how much we can control that.
सोशल मीडिया की बात चल ही रही है, तो सोशल मीडिया कुछ लोगों का ऐसा मानना भी है that it has somewhere become a mess, because अगर उसके अपने कुछ फायदे हैं तो काफी नुकसान भी है. जैसे सोशल मीडिया ट्रोलिंग स्पेशली, when it comes to trolling, लोग नहीं देखते कि वो किस हद तक जा रहे हैं, क्या लिमिट क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. What do you think about social media and how active are you? And do you take it seriously कि हाँ इतने likes और इतने followers होने चाहिए तो I have made it, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आजकल लोग एक्टर को उस पैरामीटर पे तोला जाता है कि आपके कितने followers हैं.
True. And it's very sad actually. I have never been a part of that campaign कि मुझे अपने followers बढ़ाने हैं. And honestly, there were जब ये social media boom हो रहा था, when actors were actually being very active on social media, तो मुझे भी काफी लोगों ने बोला कि you should be more active, should post more. अगर if you just check out my handle anytime, so you will see कि 1-2 post के बीच में मतलब 6 महीने 8 महीने का ऐसा gap है. So now I think this phase I will consider that I have been the most active on social media. वो भी ऐसा नहीं कि I'm posting every day, it's just a week maybe. If I did something nice, I'll post it. Otherwise, I really can't make something up, sit in a corner, click a photo and post it. It's not me. But I like to keep my personal life and work अलग से. And unless कि बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि दोनों को मिलाना, I don't prefer doing it.
Talking about this show इश्क में मर जावा, क्या अभी आप लोग इसके लिए शूट कर रहे हो या फिलहाल ब्रेक पे हैं and shooting शुरू?
No, we have started shooting after a 3-month gap. Because we were supposed to go on air in the month of March, in the month of Feb actually. But फिर वो March हुआ, and then everything which happened, the COVID situation took 3 months. And now we are back on floor. काफी discussion के बाद, all the organization, the Producers Guild and the Actors Association, the Broadcasters Association, they have come to an agreement that we will shoot with a certain guideline, and we are following that.
But does it become scary, Vishal, to step on the sets during such a pandemic situation, जहाँ पर एक तरह से यही बोल देंगे हम कि अगर हम step out कर रहे हैं तो हम अपनी जान हथेली पे रख कर ही जा रहे हैं, because you never know कि हमें कौन सा ऐसा person मिल जाए जिसको symptoms भी ना हो, and so how scary it is to work.
Well, honestly, हम लोग जब फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे सेट पे आफ्टर द पोस्ट लॉकडाउन सीन व्हेन वी वर प्रिपेयरिंग टू गो बैक ऑन शूट, उस समय वी हैड मेट टू हमारे ब्लड टेस्ट हो रहे थे, हमारे इंश्योरेंस पेपर साइन हो रहे थे, एंड देयर वर डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म्स व्हिच नीडेड टू बी साइन्ड बाय अस. उसमें सो वी हैड गैदर्ड ऑल ऑफ अस, ऑल द एक्टर्स एंड सर्टेन प्रोडक्शन पीपल हैड गैदर्ड ऑन सेट. So as soon as we got on set, there was a kind of nervousness in me, which we later found out कि सब में ही था. Everybody was nervous, everybody was a little holding back, क्योंकि situations were not the best to be having a gathering. But वहाँ पे भी we were all geared up. हमने full sleeves पहने हुए थे, gloves पहने हुए थे, मास्क वास्क सब लगाया हुआ था, और blood test सब हो ही रहा था. So उस समय everybody was like कि अच्छा shoot शुरू होने वाला है कल से. So everybody was very nervous, you know. First of all, character itna time ho gaya kiye hue. You have to go back, you have to do the makeup, which requires another physical contact. People will do your hair, costume, that's not in your control. But we were made to see ki how are we going to go about our schedule. हम लोग सुबह कैसे आएंगे, how are you not supposed to loiter on set. If we have the scenes, please be on set that time only, otherwise please stay put in your room. तो ये सब गाइडलाइंस फॉलो हो रहे हैं, and I think it's for the better. I think ये लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए भी सही है. तो ये बेटर वर्क एनवायरनमेंट तो डेफिनेटली है, बट अगर ये वायरस का फियर नहीं रहता तो और एफिशिएंट होता है.
Do you somewhere feel blessed because बहुत कम एक्टर्स हैं इंडस्ट्री में जिनको वुमेन डोमिनेटेड एरिया है टेलीविजन, उसमें भी ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स मिलते हैं जहां पर आपको कुछ करने के लिए एक्चुअली है एंड यू आर नॉट स्टैंडिंग लाइक अ फर्नीचर इन द शो. So all of your shows, you know, जो आपका लाइफ ओके का भी जो शो था जय कन्हैया लाल की, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, so you have actually got opportunities, Ganga, where you had roles to portray. So what do you want to say?
I think thank you for putting this point out. I mean, yes, I have had like really good opportunities, and actually, you know what? Last year only, I was just thinking ki, you know, it's been, and this May actually, this May or April, I had finished 7 years in the industry, and some people had posted, reminded, so I was like, oh wow. So actually, I was just going back to the photo, like, so many roles I have done, and on TV, so काफी कुछ 6-5 show कर लिए, and all of them had like good prominent characters. I never had to like step back, and you know, because I see a lot of characters who can contribute to the content so much, but they are not utilized because of the TV format जो होता है. Right. So yeah, जय कन्हैया लाल की, गंगा, वीरा, everything I had the opportunity to do something. Especially even though जय कन्हैया लाल की worked only for 6 months, जाट की जुगनी only worked for 3 months, but I had a gala time over there because of course वीरा के साथ काफी comparisons हो रहे थे, but क्योंकि वो पंजाबी था and this is हरियाणवी, so it's very difficult for people who are watching, the audience, to explain the difference between them, but there was a whole lot of difference. I couldn't play Baldev in जाट की जुगनी, तो मुझे पता है मैंने हरियाणवी की काफी वो डायलेक्ट पे थोड़ी रिसर्च की थी, then I had sat with the writer, so it was a complete different game. So yes, I definitely feel blessed कि I have never been, you know, in a role जिसके लिए कुछ करने को है नहीं. I think from the start, from Channel V only, I've got roles which are prominent roles, which are pivotal roles, जिसके वजह से कुछ स्टोरी में changes आएंगे. If not everything is centered around the person, but of course he's causing those changes, which I think is the best thing to ask for from an actor's point of view.
But how disappointed it is for an actor when a show is not given that much time, जो भी सिचुएशन हो,
right,
you know, आपने जैसे कहा जाट की जुगनी के लिए आपने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया था एज एन एक्टर, यू हैड लर्न द लैंग्वेज, डायलेक्ट आपने सीखा था. जब शो को उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता, 3 महीने में 4 महीने में, यू नो, शो कम्स टू एन एंड, एज एन एक्टर कितना ज्यादा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है?
Disappointment तो हुआ था, because I remember when जाट की जुगनी was going, so in the production house and Rashmi Sharma Telefilms, and we were talking about, you know, either this will happen or this won't happen. या तो ये click करेगा या तो immensely fail करेगा. So when we started off, it was a very positive environment, got a very good response. But again, I think with that show, what happened, what you're talking about, the characters जो रहते हैं, there were so many beautiful characters in that show, but everything was centered around my character and the female lead. तो उसकी वजह से, and I was just waiting कि I want to interact with those characters so that, you know, something can cause that stir up things, but वो नहीं हो पाया था. And that's the first time I actually felt, क्योंकि वीरा 2 साल चला, चैनल वी का शो का लाइफ अराउंड 6 months ही रहता था, we ran that much. Ganga again 1.5 years for me, which was good. So again, suddenly जाट की जुगनी coming to 3 months, it actually grounded me a lot also. It gave me a kind of a reality check कि भाई हर बार 1-2 साल नहीं चलेगा, so you have to be prepared for this also. So But then again, I did Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki, which ran its course for 6 months. I was very happy. I stayed at home. That was the best part. So yeah. So yeah, that was also a lesson. I was kind of prepared, you know. इसके लिए भी prepare रहो तुम. इतनी overwhelm मत हो.
As an actor कितना ज़्यादा insecure भी feel होता है जब आपको एक project के बाद काफी ज़्यादा wait करना पड़ता है दूसरा project मिलने के लिए, क्योंकि वो भी कम स्ट्रगल नहीं है. आप एक शो आपका हिट हो गया, बट आपको अगर सेकंड शो मिले, वो क्लिक करे और आपको मिले सबसे पहली बात वो शो जिस तरीके का आप शो करना चाहते हो, वो भी एक बड़ी बात है. तो उस टाइम पे आप हाउ डू यू मेंटेन योर पीस?
I think it's very different for people. जैसे मेरे लिए है कि if I've just finished the show, initially I remember it was कि मैंने show finish किया, I hope मेरे पास जल्दी आ जाए, you know, मेरे पास, and it happened from Channel V to Veera. I had finished shoot tonight I finished shoot. I had 2 more days और उसमें मेरा एक shoot था, and the third day I was shooting for Veera. So I was like, wow, मतलब I have really kicked off. On the other hand, गंगा के लिए मुझे 3 महीने वेट करना पड़ा था, क्योंकि a lot of काफी गंगा को ढूंढने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा था. So I got insecure that time because again it was an early stage for me.
Right.
But post Ganga I took a break. I cautiously took a break कि नहीं यार, I need to take a break. But फिर भी मुझे 1 महीने बाद वो ब्रेक आने लग गया था because I'm not used to it. Then I gave in to कि नहीं, I need to look for work. I want to get back to shooting. Last year I actually took a long break because now I have, your mind grows. आपके experience के हिसाब से grow हो जाता है कि no, I should take a break. I should work on myself. क्योंकि अगर मैं कुछ सीखूंगा नहीं, मैं वही करता रहूंगा स्क्रीन पे. मुझे वो फील हो रहा था कि वो होता है ना, you have a bag of emotions जो आप लेके जाते हो.
Right.
वो exhaust हो गया था. और I realized कि जब मैं खुश हूँ तो मेरे पास 2 ही expression है. I can only see this situation with 2 point of views. When I'm sad, I can have only these 4 point of views. But that's not humans function, right? That's not how humans function. वो हर एक situation में अलग तरह react करते हैं. So that's why I took time. I did some classes. I attended workshops. I got into dance workshops because I love dancing. So it's also a form of expression. तो काफी help करता है. So now I'm looking कि let's take a break, take it slowly. अच्छा काम करते हैं.
So any aspirations of moving to Bollywood?
Definitely. I won't say that's the ultimate goal. That's not my ultimate goal. That's why I'm again, अगर मुझे बॉलीवुड में जाना होता तो मैं और social media पे और active रहता. I would be more outgoing. But there is so much to learn for me, and I think that can just never end because my background is not in filmmaking or acting. I have learned through workshops, through classes, through attending one-to-one sessions with people, and finally शुरू में जब आए थे तब ये नहीं पता था कि एक्टिंग को क्राफ्ट की तरह भी सीखना है, because we were stage fear नहीं था, we were into performing arts. Now we are understanding the craft is there, you have to learn it and it takes time. तो अभी मैं in that zone, so I think 1-2 साल I'm at least looking at 1 or 2 years getting into the mainstream cinema.
Any message to fans who will be watching Ishq Mein Mar Jawa and who have been supporting you all this while?
Yes. Then I think more than ever, I am thankful to you guys that you have waited patiently. आपने ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने follow करना छोड़ दिया या what I'm doing you have stopped seeing that because I'm not coming on your TV screen. But finally, we are back on floor and we are all very excited to give you this show. We have worked really hard and काफी अच्छी production है इसकी and I just can't wait for you to see it. And tune in from 13 July 7 PM. सारा tension, I know situation stuff है, सारी tension एक बार आधे घंटे के लिए side करके just sit in front of the TV and give us the opportunity to entertain you. You will not be disappointed.
Thank you so much, Vishal. It was great talking to you. I hope you enjoyed the interview.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much.